Okay, guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry for my sister who made that video. She was meant to do it on her channel, but anyways, wait, what was that? I'm joined by Nathan, but did you hear? People are honking. This is supposed to just be like an eating challenge, but now people are honking. What is it? What the? There's like a guys. The lights are blinking. What the? Oh my goodness, guys. Guys, what? What? No, run, go! This is creepy, guys. This is creepy. Guys, this is so creepy. We need to go back in. No matter what, we're going back in. We're savages. Let's turn the lights on, though. No way. Huh. That doesn't even help. Too loud. Guys, I don't know what this is. Okay, guys, let's go inside. He's still there. Guys, let's go in the back. This is absolutely ridiculously creepy. I'm not kidding.
Dude, we actually did. Guess what? In the video, we didn't actually know.
This is so creepy. What the?
Lincoln!
What?
In my video, we didn't know it was you, Lincoln. It wasn't you, Lincoln. It was like some creepy guy. Remember?
What the flip? Let's go inside. Let's turn on these lights. Because flashlight doesn't. Wait, what the? Why won't these turn on? What the? Guys! What the? There's nothing in here. What the? The lights won't turn on.
Come play!
Yeah, come on! Run!
Hi,
Guys, did you hear that?
Yeah, man!
This is creepy. Nathan's gonna have a video too, but
Please check it out. It's almost done uploading.
what the flip is going on? Guys, comment down below if you think this is really creepy, because of course I do. We're gonna go full savage mode and turn on the lights. Nah, I'm just kidding. You think we're gonna turn on the lights? We're gonna investigate this.
With the lights on my phone.
Yeah, you use your flashlight. He's gonna put the flashlight on his phone.
Yeah, right here. Okay, you can go back. I'm going to get the light on. You don't have to wait for me.
Wait, we need to wait because it's pitch black in there.
So I have to.
But you can see that. Wait, he's gone. That creepy guy that was sitting in the front seat is gone. Guys, this is
Okay, I got
creepy.
flashlight going. Come on.
Okay, he's got his flashlight going. Let's follow his flashlight. Okay.
Check in here.
Okay, yeah, let's check in here.
Dude, the door's open. Come on. No! Yeah!
That's my best friend.
Go! Lock it! What the flip was that?
I know.
What?
My phone is at 9%, Lincoln.
Okay, then turn it off, Well.
I got power saving.
Turn it off. Only turn it on when we're in the...
Oh, dude, I can use my flashlight while it's off.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's good. Because... Oh, that was my sister. I'm like... Oh, we'll let my sister in. Come on. Let's let my sister in. Let's just look out there.
Come on over here.
Come on.
Can I get a drink?
Yeah, he's gonna go get a drink. I'm gonna go full savage mode go in there and investigate this stuff. Okay. Let's unlock it. Now both of them are blinking. I'm gonna wait for Nathan because I'm too scared to go on my own.
Without a flashlight?
Yeah, come on.
I got my water.
Okay. Come on. Let's look inside this car. I can't really see.
Ah! Dude!
What? Guys, do you see that? Oh my gosh. We need to get in there. Okay, put your flashlight in. This is creepy, guys.
Both of them are dead, dude.
Come play.
What the? Go! It's like, I don't even know what that is like. Guys, this is so creepy.
Hold a second. Let's see if my phone is safe when it got water on it. Because it's
Guys.
water resistant, so...
Guys, this is creepy. I'm gonna watch
Can I
this.
get some more water?
Wait. 1 sec. Wait, what the? Let's get a drink. Let's get a drink out of this sweetness. Yummy. Guys, this is so creepy. I don't know what is happening. That looked like Luke and that one guy we ding-dong ditched once. Like, have they lost their minds?
But Lou, that was not Lou. His eyes were like...
What the? Now the blinkers stopped. Now,
Dude,
now we're gonna need your flashlight.
Dude, look over there.
We just want to have fun.
Ah! Show the flashlight.
We love you guys. Be our friends. Forever.
What
Play
the?
with us. Play with us.
Guys, you can't see them on camera, but oh my gosh.
Friends.
Guys, run! Get lock the door! What the flip, guys?
We're your friends.
Crap! Shut the door! Lock it! Guys,
Okay.
this is
guys.
creepy.
This is so scary.
I'm not kidding. This
My
is
flashlight's
creepy.
still on.
We just want to be
Oh
your friends.
no!
Forever. Don't put us run. Get inside. Get inside now. Get inside. I'm not hiding.
There's guys over there yelling.
Pause the video right there. Forever. We just want to be your friend.
Guys, we're trapped.
Forever.
Bye.